nanglitum dam bom lo ilong adim lang mesen adim nang tum hanang paklang pun po dam bom lo So guys, my two friends were leading me into the jungle to show us a very beautiful and unique scenery. This place is located in West Karbianglong, Dongkamukam, which is only 1 kilometer from Dongkamukam main town. So I implore you to all the viewers to visit this nature beauty. I am very happy to explore this dense forest. You know guys, this place is very peace. Wow, look at that. Everywhere is covered with a big rock. This place can be definitely called as a nature paradise. So guys, they are my two friends. Without them, everything is impossible. If I go alone, that means I will be lost on the way. So they are guiding me. Large number of trees are found here and different varieties of species exist here. I'm very happy today. I can clearly hear the sound of different birds. Lasidonatum lasodim ke aning ke oi duatum pusita ladak nangjui lonte mended jibon nili ka expect dam atengke makoson lo donatum ho ahok jidi. This place is stunning and gorgeous, a very beautiful place. We can definitely give a name called a nature paradise. I'm very much thankful for my two guides for giving me his valuable time to me. They are so kind and caring. I have never met in my life. Alang ni nang Japon bom si api dun bom lojo donatum. Inoda bangke towar nang ke Japon Lapen inoda bangke camera capturing si nang cerap dun lo. Lasidonatum alang litum bang hini atum aphan choro re putaun e. Donnatum an kedam anta ang bong an lelelang usipo. Lasi ang bong an abang ke next episode abang si paklang long tu long rong pobon. Donnatum. Nanglitum laso a video ansose serikha ilitum karbiang long along ri amen ansose pachet hangdun luna. Atok ano anta pachini dunang ilitum along ri along talason kemipik adim tadopu pachet hangnam. Donnatum harlong kang toy kacharlidun ekeng suet ando. Anta adim langmi pikamat halahai tini et si ining bang sia rong turong. So guys, a very big thank you to all for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. And once again guys, please do not forget to write on the comment section given below. By saying on your positive comments, I can bring you more videos. So guys, please take care. We will meet again on my next episode. Till then, love you all and bye bye.